These roasted maple cinnamon sweet potatoes will make a tasty side for your favorite pork or beef recipes, or with grilled chicken or fish. To start your day off with some love for your taste buds, serve with over easy or scrambled eggs for breakfast. Try tossing leftovers in a green salad with some feta cheese, and I guarantee you'll look forward to your lunch. Sweet potatoes are a staple at holiday gatherings, and this dish would surely wow your guests or hosts. Be ready to take a bow when you serve these to family and friends, and graciously accept their praise as they discover their newfound love of sweet potatoes.